Hello to everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel Sethi. In today's session of JEE Advanced Paper Discussion 2024, Session 3rd. Topics: Ellipse and circle. Concept will be discussed through illustrations taken from JEE Advanced 2024. Two questions are going to be discussed here, right? In earlier session, we have discussed in session 1 question on limits and differential equation first order and probability on session 2. All illustration taken from JEE Advanced 2024 paper 1. Right? Now I will also request, before going these two topics, quick revision of circle, conic section, parabola, ellipse and hyperbola. Sessions are also available which you can review on Sethi Swift Learn. I will also like to request for better performance. Concept understanding is one part and second part is to conclude the answer. Understanding is simple but when we टाइम चलाएंगे आपका कहीं ना कहीं आप पढ़ जाएंगे. तो इट इज़ माई हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट कि आप कोई भी क्वेश्चन की अंडरस्टैंडिंग करने के बाद उस क्वेश्चन को पूरा आंसर निकालने की कोशिश कीजिए. रीजन तो JEE एडवांस JEE मेन में एंड रिजल्ट्स में हमने सिंपल एक न्यूमेरिकल फिगर भरनी होती है. नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन इज कंसीडर द एलिप्स x square by 9 plus y square by 4 equal to 1. Let us PQ be a point in the first quadrant such that two tangents are drawn from S to the ellipse, so which one meets the ellipse at one end of the minor axis and other meets the ellipse at the point T in the fourth quadrant. Let R be the vertex of the ellipse with positive x coordinates and O be the center of the ellipse. If the area of triangle ORT is 3 by 2, then which of the following is correct? Right? Now, first of all, nature is horizontal. Nature is horizontal as denominator of x square greater than denominator of y square. If denominator y square is greater than us, then it is vertical like this, right? Now, this meaning of this is relative position of point. Relative position of a point with respect to curve, जो भी होता है. In this case, it is ellipse, right? Means जो point given है आपको, उसको S1 डिफाइन किया, पहले पुट करने के बाद, if S1 greater than 0, equal to 0 or less than 0. If greater than 0, point lies outside, point on, point inside, point inside. In this case, x square plus y plus minus 1 equal to greater than 0 means this is point lies outside. SPQ lies outside, right? Its center will be its vertices 3 0 and 0 2, right? And points on major axis, minor axis. This point will be R will be 3 0. This will be 0 2. Now from two tangents are drawn. This is one tangent, this is another tangent. And meet at this point means this is parallel to this. So Q point will comes out to be 2. This is Q equal to 2. Therefore we have taken it 2 here, right? Now, according to question, area of triangle ORT equal to half base OR into TQ, right, equal to given a, that is 3 by 2, 3 by 2. So this is 1 by 2 into 3 into beta, 3 by 2, right? So beta comes out to be minus 1. Plus भी आ सकता था, minus 1 भी आ सकता था. Reason being alpha beta lies in quadrant 4. In quadrant 4, y will be negative. Not to find alpha, we use the relation to find alpha as point alpha beta lies on ellipse, therefore will satisfy, therefore alpha square by 9 plus beta is 1 square by 4 equal to 1. This will come out to be, alpha will come out to be 3 root 3 by 2. Now, point alpha beta comes out to be now 3 root 3 divided by 2 minus 1. This is point alpha beta. But now we have to find the coordinates of P. Now, equation of tangent. Equation of tangent. There are three types of tangent: x1 over a square plus y1 over b square equal to 1, y equal to mx plus minus under root a square m square plus b square, and x upon a cos theta plus y upon b sin theta equal to 1. This is point form, this is slope form, this is parametric form. Parametric form में point होता है a cos theta, b sin theta. In this case, point is given to you using this form. Now, equation of tangent x1, x alpha 3 root 3 by 2 upon 9 plus y beta minus 1 upon 4 equal to 1. Right? Now, as tangent passes through P2, therefore will satisfy this equation. P2, P 3 root 3 divided by 9 plus 2 minus 1 by 4 equal to 1. On simplification, P comes out to be 3 root 3. P comes out to be 3 root 3. That's the answer. Q is 2, A is the correct answer, right? I've discussed very basics applicable in this case, right? Now, next question. Question is, let the straight line y equal to 2x touch a circle with center 0 alpha. Alpha is greater than 0. And radius r at a point A1. Let B1 be the point on the circle such that the line segments A1, B1 is the diameter of the circle. Alpha plus r equal to 5 plus root 5. This is the additional information. We have to match the list 1 and list 2. Right? Question is taken from JEE Main 2024 paper 1. Right? Now start with the concept applicable solution. Now in this case, this is line y equal to 2x. This is the line y equal to 2x, right? And this is theta. Slope of the line will be m equal to tan theta equal to 2. That point A1 will be x1, y1. This is x2, y2, right? Point C is 0 alpha, right? Concept applicable is distance from center to the tangent of a circle equal to radius, right? The distance from the center will be now ax1 plus by1 plus c. This will come out to be alpha minus 0 divided by under root 1 plus 4, that equal to r. Alpha comes out to be root 5r. Root 5r, right? One relation is also given to you. Also, according to question, alpha plus r equal to root 5 plus 5. Alpha root 5r plus r root 5 plus 5. R taken common, root 5 plus 1 equal to root 5 taken, root 5 plus 1. This goes, r comes out to root 5. r comes out to be root 5. Therefore, alpha will be equal to root 5 into root 5, that is 5. Therefore, center will be 0, 5. So this distance will be 5. This is root 5. Then OA1 will be equal to how much distance? By Pythagoras theorem, 25 minus 5, root 20, that is will be 2 root 5, that is equal to 5 ka square minus root 5 ka square. Right, that comes out to OA1. Now, x1 will be from figure, x1 will be OA1 cos theta, x2 will be equal to OA2 sin theta. We know tan theta, 2, 1, root 5, right? So OA1 is 2 root 5, OA1 is 2 root 5, OA1 is 2 root 5. Therefore, x1 comes out to be 2 root 5 into cos theta into 1 by root 5, that is 2, right? And y1 will be equal to 2 root 5 into sin theta, that is 2 upon root 5, that is 4. Therefore, point A1 will be equal to 2, 4. Right? Now, this is A1, 2, 4. This is 0, 5. And this is B1. The 1 is to 1. You can find the answer, minus 2. This I am performed to minus 2, 6. Right? So B1 is known, A1 is known, center is known, radius is known. Now let's see the answer. Alpha equal to 5, 4. R equal to root 5. A1 equal to 2, 4, 5. That is 4. A1 equal to 2, 4. B1 equal to minus 2, 6, 3. So 4, 2, R equals to, that is 2. Root 5 different 2. 4, 2, 5, 3. Option C is correct. Correct answer is option C is correct. Right? Now again repeating the short one. In this case, tangent is given to A1. So line is given, slope is known. So you can consider this point x1, y1. So if we know the distance OA1, we can find the coordinate of x1, y1 using the slope concept, right? Pythagoras. Now in this case, to find the center, distance from center to tangent equal to radius. That concept, and also one information is given to alpha plus r. Using that information, we find out the alpha, and by using midpoint formula, we find B1, right? Now, I would like to request, if you are new to my YouTube channel, Sethi Shifter, and like this video, please subscribe and share the channel, press bell icon to receive updates on upcoming concept killing videos. Thank you. धन्यवाद. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद जी. बहुत बहुत